Have you ever wondered what would happen if you ate 5 eggs a day for 30 days straight? Nutritional benefits of eggs. Eggs, the unsung heroes of the breakfast table. Join me as we crack the shell on why these protein packed ups are more than just a delicious start to your day. Rich source of protein and essential nutrients. Not just a one trick pony. Eggs are a powerhouse of essential nutrients, including protein, vitamins, and minerals. Get ready for a crash course on why eggs are the MVPs of almost everybody's morning routine. The role of eggs in a balanced diet. Eggs bring more than just flavor to the table. They play a vital role in a well rounded diet. What about their impact on weight and body composition? Can eggs crack the code to weight loss and a leaner physique? Join us as we scramble through the potential effects on a daily egg indulgence. Let us explore a bit the potential for weight loss. But first, let's ask ourselves, is shedding those extra pounds as easy as cracking an egg? We are on a mission to actually uncover whether incorporating eggs into our daily menu can tip the scale in our favor. Effect on muscle mass and body fat percentage. Muscles and fats, beware. We are dissecting the impact of a high egg diet on your body composition, from bulking up to trimming down. Could eggs be the secret ingredient we'll be missing? Effect on cholesterol levels. A cheap and accessible source of protein and other nutrients are chicken eggs. They also contain a lot of cholesterol by nature. However, unlike certain other foods like those high in trans and saturated fats, eggs don't seem to boast cholesterol levels. In fact, according to Harvard Health, hair cholesterol itself is safe for human health, but what may be unsafe for your health is what trans fats you eat with it, such as bacon, cheese, and so many other. Changes in energy levels and mood. The potential effect of mood and cognitive function. Forget the roller coaster of emotions. Eggs might just help keep your mood in check. With their nutrients like choline and vitamin B12, eggs could be that secret weapon to keep your brain firing on all cylinders while keeping those mood swings at bay. What are the potential side effects and risks? Addressing possible digestive issues. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, gas and bloating. Eating 5 eggs a day might make your stomach do the funky chicken sound. But fear not, listen to your body, maybe dial it down a notch if your digestive system isn't loving the egg overload. The considerations for individuals with specific health conditions. If you have health conditions like high cholesterol, diabetes, or allergies, it's like navigating a maze with eggs in your diet. You need to consult with your healthcare professional before going full on egg mode. It's all about finding that balance between eggy goodness and your health needs. Whether you're an egg enthusiast or just dipping your toe into the egg basket, remember moderation is key. Incorporate eggs in your diet with flair and finesse. Get creative with your egg recipes and make those sunny sides ups the shining star of your balanced and healthy eating journey. Whether you choose to explore this egg experiment or not, incorporating eggs mindfully into a balanced diet can contribute positively to your overall health and well-being. So, Green Health Warriors, we have come to the end of this video. In order to be sure you have watched it now, drop a comment in the comment section below to let us know what you think about this video and how you prefer to eat your eggs. Whether you like it scrambled, boiled, or as omelette. Feel free to share your recipe with us too because we would like to know and learn. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if this is your first time here. I hope and I would love to see you in the next video. Thank you.